Best beginner rowing machine. Choosing the best beginner rowing machine is challenging. And choosing the right one which suits your price range and precise wishes would possibly even be greater hard. Don't worry, as we've compiled the 10 excellent price range rowing gadgets to assist you in navigating through exclusive brands without problems. Rowers have an extended history, and now there are numerous models available within the marketplace with fantastic design and particularly delicate exercising devices prepared to get your cardio health on every other level. All you need to get started inside the workout adventure is to have a quality rowing machine in your home. Number 1. Fitness Reality 1000 Plus Rowing Machine. The Fitness Reality 1000 rowing system is one of the modern-day fashions to embrace technology, specifically Bluetooth. A growing range of rowers and domestic fitness devices now includes connectivity to online apps and programs that help you song your development. As of the date of this evaluation, May 2019, as we understand, that is the lowest priced device to have this option. But before we get onto the tech stuff, what approximately the nuts and bolts? Fitness Reality takes about 30 to 40 minutes to collect and calls for minimum DIY abilities and knowledge. It's a quite correct build, fine for a price range device, and feels pretty stable. The rowing position is at ease with an excellent sized seat, extensive and well padded manage, and a sloped beam. This best beginner rowing machine is no longer too low for getting on and off. One big plus for this version is the period of the shaft, which makes it appropriate for customers of up to 6'6", which its rail inseam of 3'9", more or less your inside leg period. The footrests are extensive and have a thick Velcro band that should hold even the most critical toes in function at the same time as you row your coronary heart out. This best beginner rowing machine is a magnetic resistance rower and may be very quiet. So in case you're in an apartment or the usage of it in a small area, the noise virtually isn't always going to reason any problems, unlike a number of the air rowers available. It has 14 ranges of resistance which can be selected using the knob beneath the screen, see image on the right. We've had reviews that some customers observed little distinction among stages 1 and 14, however, we had no such difficulty with ours, so this suggests a few models can also have a fault. Number 2. Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5515 rowing machine. The Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5515 magnetic rowing machine gives all the requirements for a fantastic cardiovascular workout in conjunction with any and the whole lot all at domestic fitness lovers should want. This magnetic rowing gadget affords an 8-level anxiety knob to without problems transfer up the intensity of your exercise. With an easy twist, you can increase or decrease magnetic resistance so your workout can stay challenging and powerful for the duration of your routine. This rower functions big, texture pedals with protection straps to offer the user with a non-slip surface and protection. No count number how extreme your overall performance stage can be, the steadiness of this rowing gadget will in no way compromised. The SF RW5515 magnetic rowing machine also presents a cushioned seat that gives the user a comfortable rowing experience. The system likewise geared up with a handy LCD that displays vital exercise information, so you never surprise approximately your difficult work paying off. Number 3. Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5713. The Sunny SF, RW5713 Obsidian Surge 500 has one of the longest names for a rowing machine I've come upon. Glass-like volcanic rock formed by the fast solidification of lava without crystallization. I wager the name comes from the black, brilliant finish on this water rower. With an aggregate of 3 metallic, hydro blades, a flywheel, and a water tank, there's infrequently a restriction to the quantity of resistance you may create with the Sunny Health and Fitness Obsidian rower. Water rowing machines are the nearest that you can get to the texture of actual rowing without getting out on a lake, and that they provide a robust yet clean exercising. With an R2 fitness meter and an LCD monitor, the Obsidian will give an exquisite workout as well as the incentive to hold pushing more difficult as you progress. Also, the mold, padded seat sits better off of the floor than maximum rower seats, which makes it less challenging to get on and off, even for people who've to decrease back, hip, or knee troubles. The rail is 49 inches lengthy, making this a terrific rowing gadget for any trainees who've been too tall for others. Number 4. JOROTO Magnetic Rower Rowing Machine. The JOROTO Magnetic Indoor Rowing Machine is available in color version of black and white with version numbers Mr. 30S and Mr. 30, respectively. The two rowers are the same with the similar features and capability besides for the shade difference. However, the black JOROTO Magnetic Indoor Rowing Machine is barely pricier than the white one. This best beginner rowing machine is a mid-range rower that has some exciting features such as a recovery feature that measures the coronary heart price at the cease of your exercising to show a recuperation status that could be F1, pleasant, F6, worst. This best beginner rowing machine allows you to have an idea of your health level. It has a blue LED backlit reveal that tracks and presentations time /500 m, distance in miles, stroke according to minute, SPM, general strokes, energy burned, and heart fee. That stated, a heart charge chest strap is going to be required an excellent way to make use of this function, and consequently, you have to buy one at a time because it's not always covered in the bundle. The JOROTO Magnetic Indoor Rowing Machine isn't always compact but has a space-saving layout that permits you to fold it up for storage each time it isn't still in use. It features a manual magnetic resistance device that gives decent full-frame workouts that interact with a couple of muscle businesses and ultimately burn fat and improve average bodily fitness. It has an ergonomic design that makes it a user-pleasant rower. This is reachable, useful, and green. Number 5. Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5622. The Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5622 dual-function magnetic rowing machine rower with LCD monitor is a budget-friendly rowing gadget that presents you with a vast range of functions. No want to disturb different humans while you're rowing and do not stress out your knees and joints. There are 8 ranges of resistance supplied to you on this system, which varies from low to excessive. You can design your health plan. This health machine is suitable for all varieties of fitness dreams, which include dropping weight, maintaining perfect frame shape, and growing your muscle tissues. The final choice is in your palms, but the SF, RW5622 is a giant alternative. Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5622 dual-function magnetic rowing machine rower with LCD monitor is any such unit that's best for all of your body parts. Its dual-feature footpads will let you paintings to your fingers or legs for shedding extra calories. You may location this machine in any corner of the room and can fold it while not in use. The magnetic machine of tension lets you set the intensity of the device consistent with your desire. There is a 3-year assurance at the parts of the device by the producer. However, its assembling takes much time, but assembling is a one-time process so that this disadvantage may be without problems overseen.